Top 7 Best Drone Under $100 in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Ryze Telo. Not only is the Ryze Telo a fun drone to fly, but it's designed to help kids learn to program by dropping blocks of code, Lego style, into an app using the Scratch programming language. There's a bit of a learning curve, though, so children may need some guidance on just how to program the Telo. Designed by DJI, the Telo is a light but solidly built drone with an electronically stabilized camera that can record video at 720p/30 fps and take 5 MP photos. Ryze advertises the Telo as being able to fly for up to 13 minutes on a charge, but we found its flight time to be about half that. Either way, it's worth investing in a few spare batteries. The Telo also does not come with a physical remote control, so you'll have to use your smartphone, Android, and iOS unless you want to spend an extra $50 on a controller. The Telo is available in a few different colors. There's even an Iron Man branded model for Marvel fanatics. Number 2. Holystone HS110D. The Holystone HS110D makes our list of the best drones cheap, as it's one of the few at this price that has a 1080p camera. While not up to the same level as a DJI drone, it does provide better video quality than other drones on this page, making it a good starter for aspiring videographers. Like many of the other cheap drones on this list, flight time is around 8 minutes, which is decent for a drone at this price. We also like that the company includes 2 batteries, so your downtime isn't too great. And this drone is pretty easy to fly, too. The HS110D is a simple drone with a curved plastic case made out of 2 pieces of plastic. Measuring about 13 inches from rotor tip to tip, it feels pretty flimsy, but extra parts for most of the easily breakable units are included. You get spare rotors, landing feet, and LED covers. Number 3. Udio UI118 FPV drone. The Forceon UI118 is one of the larger of the best cheap drones, but most of this size is due to the built-in rotor blade guards. That's a good thing for novice flyers. The circular blade protectors save the blades from being damaged by sticks, fingers, and more. The lightweight plastic case is flimsy and feels like it would easily break in a moderate speed collision. The camera hangs below the center of the drone and can be angled manually to point from straight ahead to about 30 degrees down. Its camera can record video at a 720p resolution, stored on the micro SD card that fits into the back of the camera body. The accompanying app, available for both iOS and Android, can control the drone and shows a 480p resolution video preview. This can be switched to 720p, but that gets a little glitchy when the drone is more than 20 to 25 feet away. The UI118 flies well, hovering when you release the control sticks on the small remote, but turning and banking quickly when you maneuver it around. It isn't particularly fast, though. You get about 8 to 10 minutes at flight time from its 350 mAh battery, and 2 are included. This combination of maneuverability, stability, and battery life makes it a great pick for those who are more interested in video than aerobatics. Number 4. Tomson A3. Looking for an inexpensive drone to learn the basics? The Tomson A3 is the best drone for the job, offering a great selection of features for the flyer who wants more without spending more than $50. The no-frills A3 lacks a camera, but it's fast and maneuverable, and it has some LED lights at the base of each propeller, making it fun to fly day or night. We also liked its sturdy blade guards, which help keep it in one piece if it crashes into something. However, it has a short battery life of around 7-8 minutes, but it comes with a spare battery, so you can keep the fun going longer. The remote control, which isn't much larger than 2 AirPods cases put side to side, has a wealth of buttons for its size. A shoulder switch on the right lets you change speed modes and the lights, while 2 joysticks on the front let you control the drone's flight. There's also a power switch and a takeoff/land button. The remote is powered by 3 AA batteries, which unfortunately are not included. Number 5. Propel Star Wars TIAX1 Advanced. The Forces with the Star Wars themed drone, which initially cost nearly $200, but now can be had for less than $50. The controller that comes with the Propel TIAX1 Advanced not only lets you perform flips and other tricks, but has a number of sound effects and audio clips from the original trilogy. It all comes in an impressive box that plays the Star Wars theme when you open it up. The details on the TIAX1 are pretty good, and it even looks like the ship has seen a bit of wear and tear. In flight, it's fast enough to make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. Propel also makes an X-Wing fighter version of this drone, as well as a speeder bike, complete with Stormtrooper. Even better, infrared lights and sensors inside each drone let you battle with other Propel Star Wars drones. When you hit another drone, it will spin in the air. Too bad these drones lack cameras to capture video of your dogfights, but otherwise, they're great fun for Star Wars fans. Number 6. Power Up 4.0. The Power Up 4.0 takes paper airplanes to the next level. This little kit attaches to an ordinary airplane, and thanks to a pair of propellers, lets you pilot the plane from your smartphone. The kit comes with 4 pieces of paper with an airplane pattern, but you can also download patterns for free from the company's website. As we found in our Power Up 4.0 review, there's a bit of a learning curve, and you'll need a lot of space to fly the plane. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised at how far it will go. The Power Up 4.0 takes the humble paper airplane and propels it, literally, into the modern era. This little gadget, which has a pair of propellers, clips onto a paper airplane and lets you fly it using your smartphone. Number 7. Snaptons F15H. Do you like DJI drones, but can't afford them? Snaptons F15H is inspired by the design of the DJI Mavic Mini, right down to the way the arms fold up, but costs a quarter of the price. The F15H is a fun drone to fly, and has some neat tricks, like the ability to flip 360 degrees in the air. The controller is powered by 3 AA batteries and looks like an Xbox controller that's been attacked by a bud bedazzler. There are 16 buds in addition to the 2 control sticks. While the video is captured in 720p resolution, it's grainy and blurry. Even in bright light, there's no gimbal stabilization on the camera, so you only get a straight-ahead view that bumps and shakes as the drone maneuvers. It also has a serious case of rolling shutter, where video looks wobbly. The F15H battery only holds about 800 mAh of charge, so you only get about 5 minutes of flight time. You do get 2 batteries, though. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone under $100 in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.